Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Cricket Trivia. Please watch and subscribe. What unusual record did New Zealand cricketer Jeremy Coney create in one-day internationals in 1986? Answer: he was run out in 5 consecutive innings. Which cricketer captained his side in 19 tests from his captaincy debut in 1969 before losing one against India at the Oval in 1971? Answer: Ray Illingworth. What was the unique about the Group A match between Kenya and South Africa at VRA Cricket Ground, Amstelveen, in the 1999 World Cup tournament? Answer: it was the only match in the tournament played outside the United Kingdom. Which two cities in two different countries have same name and both have international venues that hosted tests and ODIs? Answer: Hyderabad. Which Australian cricketer scored 4 Test centuries in South Africa in 1949-50 and another 4 in Australia's home series against the same opponent in 1952-53? Answer: Neil Harvey. Which Australian cricketer has an innings figure of 6 wickets for 9 runs in a Test match against India at the Wankhede, Mumbai in 2004-05? Answer: Michael Clarke. This Australian cricketer has the rare distinction of scoring 56 and 209 in a first-class match for Leicestershire against his own country in 2005. Later in his career, he became the 5th batsman and first opener in Test history to register 50-plus scores in 7 consecutive Test innings, and interestingly, that too without a century. Name the cricketer. Answer: Chris Rogers. Which English county defeated the visiting Australians a record 9 times? Answer: Surrey. What was the unique about Geoff Hurst, who played first-class cricket for Essex in 1962? Answer: he scored a hat-trick in the 1966 Soccer World Cup final. Who is the only cricketer to top score in both the completed innings of a Test on 5 occasions? Answer: Sunil Gavaskar. This Zimbabwean cricketer made his Test debut in Zimbabwe's inaugural Test match against India at Harare in 1992. After being stuck on a test best of 99 for 5 years, he finally scored his first century against India at Nagpur in 2000 on his 47th test match. Name him. Answer: Alistair Campbell. What rare record does Indian cricketer Sunil Walson hold, who was part of India's World Cup winning squad of 1983? Answer: He never played an international match. Which English cricketer tipped his cap to 14 different skippers in tests in a 64 test career that lasted from 1909 to 1934? Answer: Frank Woolley. West Indian batsman Brian Lara named his daughter after this city, where he scored his maiden test century of 277 in 1992-93. Name the city. Answer: Sydney. Which New Zealand cricketers unbeaten 237 against West Indies at Wellington in the quarter-final of the 2015 World Cup is the highest individual score in World Cup history? Answer: Martin Guptill. Who was the only overseas cricketer to captain a side in the inaugural Indian Premier League in 2008? Answer: Shane Warne of Rajasthan Royals. What is a rare fact connected to the 19th century cricketer John Ferris, who had taken 61 test wickets at an average of 12.70 in his career? Answer: He represented both Australia and England in the 19th century. Which country qualified for the World Cup for the first time in 1999 and upset the cricket world by beating former champions Pakistan in the tournament? Answer: Bangladesh. Which English cricketer appeared in a test against Bangladesh in 2016 after missed his country's 142 tests in 11 years? Answer: Gareth Batty. X was a triple international. X played cricket for England and hockey and rugby for Wales, and X also won the South Wales Squash Championship. X was killed at the age of 38 in World War II. Name X. Answer: Maurice Turnbull. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.